to show you what a cat does whenever it walks off a washing machine. It is weird. Since there's a hole in the wall, I will be standing on the thing where the washing machine and the dryer are, so she doesn't go back there. Then it would be a pain in the butt to get her back. So yeah, but it's very weird whenever you.
I'll stand right here so
Yeah.
you can see both
Okay,
sides.
watch her so she doesn't do anything super naughty like a regular cat would. She already does stuff that is naughty enough. So yeah. Oh, she's good to go. Did you get that? Did you get that? Oh yeah. So that's what a cat does whenever it jumps off the washing machine. So yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, the cat's name is Zoe Pie.